Hi, welcome to another video in the MallincamSky series. Today we're going to talk about capturing images or even using the bulk capture technique. So first thing you should always do, make sure your camera is plugged in, and when you've done that, activate MallincamSky. There we go. As you can see, I've got my SkyRaider DS432C connected to a USB 2 port. So I'm going to activate my camera. And since we're going to be demonstrating how to do simple captures, I'm just aiming it at my favorite, let's call it lamppost outside. So I'm just going to adjust the exposure just a bit, just to get an image that's not too bright. There we go. Now, first thing you should always do is determine where you would like to save your images. Now, to do that, you need to go to your options, go to preferences, and where it says auto capture, let's just highlight that. And it says, for me, it's saying I'm using it in the base directory, documents, MallincamSky. Now, you can click on the little folder here and you can put it wherever you would like. So I'm just going to cancel that. I'll keep it there. And you have the option of creating a subdirectory. And again, clicking on the little down arrow over here, you get a whole bunch of options. Now I'm going to use the date YYYYMMDD/target just to show you. Now what target is you can create a subset within the date of specific targets. Now those targets are displayed over here. Now I'm going to create a special target and we'll just call it lamp just to show you how that works. So to do that, go to target, and here's my target list so far. I've got 10 items. You can see they're all planetary, the sun and moon. I'm going to add a target, and I'm just going to call the target lamp. Just to give you an idea. There we go. Perfect. And say OK. Now, I'm going to select lamp from my target list. It's just a name. And so when I go to my options, preference, auto capture, and it's going to save it as this target, you'll see that it will put it right over here in today's date and in a lamp, and then it's going to use the sequence, because I've got this highlighted as N, so 0, 0, 0, 1, and 2, and so on. But again, you have the option of changing that to times as well. But I'm going to leave it like that. And you can even give it a prefix. And I'm just going to put the prefix test. So that just goes in front of the 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. You also have the option of format. So I'm going to save it as PNG, but you can see you have bitmap, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and FITS. And the sample just gives you a verification where you're going to put it. Now, when you're going to be doing the let's call it the batch, which is this button over here, you have two choices. You can just make it keep capturing frame after frame after frame, or you can sit there and say, okay, I would like so many seconds in between. So I'm going to just have I'm going to change it to maybe 3 seconds in between. So let's take it, if I go the right way, change it to 3 seconds. And I certainly do not want 100 images. I'll make it do 5 images there. Now, if you unclick this, where it says total images, it will just keep taking a picture every 3 seconds. Or if you choose capture every frame, it will take, in this case, it would take 5 images as fast as it can. Or if you total 5 total images, it would take take 5 images as fast as it can, and then stop. Right. So this is what I've got. I've told it where I would like it, the format, I would like to have 3 seconds between each image, and I would like it to take a total of 5 images. So let's either accept that. There we go. And you can see there's my picture. So now to start the process, right, this auto capture over here, which does the batching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 3 seconds in between. So you can use this icon to start the process, or you can go to capture and then you can have the auto capture here. So your choice, or you could even press F7. I like using the icon. So you'll notice down over here, it will give us a record of what's taking place. So here we go. So it's 0 of 1. I was going to be in the first one. So again, you've got the 3 seconds in between each capture. It's taking number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. All done. Now to see where it popped it, remember if you forgot where the folders, this icon here, you open this icon and you go down to the image folder, it will take you there and open that. So there's our 5 shots. There's the test in front of it, 0001, test 0002, and there's the actual structure in the folder under the subfolder lamp, right? So if I back up over here, you can see there's a subfolder lamp because we chose that over here. And so the choosing your folders is an important step to help you get yourself organized. There you go. Now just keep in mind, if you just want to take a simple single shot, that's what the snap button is. So if you snap the button there, it just does that automatically. It takes the one image. Now we haven't told it where to save it, right? So just hitting this doesn't save it in the folder, it pops it up here. So be wary. And then you have the option with any of these pictures, right, to save the change. Do you want to save it? Yes. And then it will open up a folder for you, and then you get to pick and choose where you would like this picture saved. So cancel. So if you use the auto capture, you set up ahead of time where you want. If you use the snap, it will just pop the images here, and when you exit or you have the option of saving these images, it will again ask you where you would like to save those pictures. So hopefully this was useful for you. And as I always say, if you have any questions, just log on to the Mallincam group, pose your question, and somebody will get back to you. Clear skies, and thank you for watching.